In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Meta Business Suite. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll add a few helpful tips along the way so you always know what to look for. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Meta Business Suite. In the results, choose the official link from Meta. It should take you to the Business Suite on Meta's domain. As a quick security check, make sure the URL is legitimate and secured before you proceed. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in. Meta Business Suite connects to your Facebook or Instagram, so choose the option you use to manage your business assets. Follow the login prompts as usual. If you're already signed in on that browser, you might land directly on your Business Suite dashboard without seeing a login screen. Either way works. The goal is simply to get into the dashboard so you can log out properly. After you're in, take a second to get oriented. You'll see the sidebar with tools like your inbox, posts, ads, and more. Now look toward the top right corner of that sidebar area. You should see your profile picture alongside your name. That profile area is the quick access point for account options, including the sign-out control. If you don't immediately spot it, try widening your browser window or slightly reducing your zoom so the header elements are fully visible. Click your profile picture or your name. A small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the Logout option and click it. That's the entire sign-out action. You should then be taken back to a screen that prompts for login, confirming you're signed out of Meta Business Suite in that browser session. A few quick notes to help you avoid confusion. Logging out here ends your Business Suite session in this tab. If you have other Meta pages open in separate tabs, refresh them to see the updated status. On shared or public computers, always check that you see the login screen after logging out before leaving the device. If the menu doesn't appear on the first try, click once rather than double-clicking, or refresh the page and try again. And if you manage multiple businesses, remember that the profile picture and name correspond to the account currently active in the suite, so confirm you're looking at the right one before you sign out. That's it. You searched for Meta Business Suite, opened the correct link, logged in with Facebook or Instagram if needed, clicked your profile area, and selected Log Out. You're all set.